Hey everyone, I'm Krista Seiden, and I'm here today with Cristiano, who is a product manager on Google Analytics. And he's going to tell us all about how to set up cross-domain measurement in your Google Analytics 4 property. Now, this is super exciting because one of the main differences between how we do this in Google Analytics 4 properties versus Universal Analytics properties is that you actually do it all within the user interface of your Google Analytics 4 property, which is very exciting because it's so much easier and it's going to be really easy for you to get started. So with that, I'm going to hand it over to Cristiano. Thank you so much for being here. Tell us all about it.
Thanks, Krista, for having me. I'm super excited to get this feature in the hands of our users. It's actually very, very easy to set this up. Let's take a look at the slides. Okay, so let's first understand what cross-domain measurement is. Imagine you have multiple domains, multiple websites, and important parts of your user journey happen across them. Cross-domain measurement will allow you to unify the users and sessions that are measured within each website to improve the accuracy of your reporting. For example, if your website is mysite.com and the user is navigating from this domain to your other domain, mystore.com, which could be your e-commerce platform, for example. If you set up cross-domain measurement, the IDs, client ID and session ID, will be transferred over from one domain to the other in order for your reports to be accurate. This will happen via a parameter that will be added to the mystore.com URL, and it will look like this. Okay, so once you're in the admin page, just click on Data Streams under the property settings of your account. Choose the data stream that you want to set up cross-domain measurement for. Now scroll down and click on Tagging Settings. Once you're in this screen, you're going to see the option to configure your domains. This is the cross-domain measurement screen. And now we're going to have to add the domains that we are measuring within this data stream. Let's click to add a condition. You can choose among multiple match types. In our case, we're going to choose contains. In the domain field, I'm going to add www.mysite.com, or you could even add just mysite.com without this first part, because I'm using contains, and that works for all the subdomains. Let's add the second domain. I'm going to choose contains, and here I'm going to add mystore.com. It's important to remember that all of these sites that you configure should be measured with the same tag for this data stream. That is, they should be measured within the same measurement ID. Once you're done, hit save, and you should be ready to go.
Great. Thank you so much, Cristiano, for showing us just how easy it is to set up cross-domain measurement in your Google Analytics 4 property. I hope you guys see how useful this might be and can start using it today.